AK.
I'm Tejal.
And today we're going to be going through a SHEIN haul that we did. Tejal's had some experience with this company before, so let's hear what she has to say first.
Yeah, so I actually ordered from SHEIN for the first time about a year ago. It was a hit or miss situation. I feel like half the stuff that I got was amazing, and I definitely wear that like now, and then half the stuff I had to send back to them because the quality wasn't good. But I think over the past year they really have improved. I feel like now I feel more confident when I buy something that it should be the way it turned out. So I got her hooked onto this website and we're like, okay, let's do a haul together. So we ordered a whole bunch of stuff for you guys to see and we're gonna style them.
Yeah, we're gonna try to style it for like different occasions so you could see different ways that you could do it as well.
Yeah. So I tried on this pink chiffon type top. It's actually really cute. It looks just like how the pictures were on the site. And it's a little bit longer, so I rolled it up inside and I styled it with this cute little denim skirt. It's like the perfect look for a patio day. Yeah, the material is actually really good. Like, it's not bad at all. Even the ribboning on the side is pretty nice. And the only thing I would have changed is like, it's like too high.
So this is the top. It's like a metallic look over here, and then there's just a lot going on with this top, but somehow it works and I really like it. It fits a little awkwardly in this area, but I think that kind of goes with the style, and it's kind of itchy too. So I don't know if you could wear this for a longer amount of time, but fashion is pain, so. Also, this is an extra small size, but it's kind of still big, so it might work better to pin it up from the back. And yeah, overall it's really cute. I love it. Perfect for a girls' night out.
Okay, so when I first saw this dress online, it was super cute. I've actually seen something like this on Love and Lemons, which is like another like online site, for a lot more expensive, and the exact same dress was like half the price on SHEIN. So I was like, I have to try this dress. When it came in, it looked like it looked kind of big. It looked a little bit like frumpy, that's not a word. But there was just like too much fabric. But when I put it on, oh my gosh, this looks so good. Like, this is probably gonna be my Valentine's Day outfit, let's be real.
So this is a cord from SHEIN. Super bright color. I love it. It might not be for everyone, and the fit is also off. Again, this is an extra small, but we put a safety pin in the back because it was way too loose as a skirt. But the length is good, and at first we thought it would be see-through, but it's not. So it works really well, the top and the bottom. You can style this many different ways, I'm sure, but since it already has a really bold look on its own, I feel like you could take it to the next level. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna style it with snake print heels and the snakeskin printed wallet. So I think that's super cute, and then obviously just add the sunglasses for extra effects. And that's it, you're ready to go.
This dress honestly looks so cute on the website, and I love Backless stuff, so I had to get this. The fringe is actually really nice. It's like good material. The entire dress is actually really good material. There's a zip on the side, and like the zip isn't finicky. I was very impressed overall. Like, it's a really nice, good quality product for the price that I paid. But yeah, overall I am so impressed. Like, I could wear this as like a date night, club night look. Like, I got these cute little heels on. Even you could wear it to like the resort, like an evening dinner at the resort. Also, you could wear this on your birthday because like you'll be looking fabulous AF in this outfit. But yeah, totally keeping this one. It's gorgeous.
So this dress is really, really nice. This is a size extra small, I believe, and it fits really well. So you can either, it's meant to be off shoulder, but I realized that you could just put the sleeves up and it still works really nice. This could be perfect for a lot of different things. It's kind of up to you where you want to wear it. It's not too short, it's comfortable, it fits well. The sleeves are really nice too, not too long, not too short. So yeah, I really love this one.
Okay, so this skirt I actually got last year, and it was kind of on the pricier side for this site. It was like $40 Canadian. But the quality of this is amazing. The length is perfect for me. Like, I would probably wear like kitty heels with this. So far I've worn it on vacation. Like, I wore it with a black like backless top, and then I wore it for a friend's birthday at the museum with like a more classier top. And this is like a more like casual but also nice, like probably could wear it on like a day out. But yeah, I really like the skirt. Everything about it is so nice. Like, the quality of the band here is really good. It has like a little zipper here, and the pleats are perfect. They've lasted through the wash too, so yeah, it's gorgeous.
So with this top, there are unlimited options about what you could do with it. I mean, it's a plain white top, cropped but super cute, you know, and very comfortable. It fits perfectly. So this was also an extra small. And for now, I just dressed it with red pants and sunglasses. Okay, so this skirt is also from SHEIN, but Tejal ordered it last year, so want to tell us something about it? It fits nice.
Yeah, it also obviously goes really well with her top. But yeah, this skirt is like a corduroy material. This was when I first ordered from SHEIN, so I was definitely very iffy about ordering corduroy from like an online sketchy site, but it's so good, and it like looks really good. The embroidery is really nice, the colors are really nice, and just like it's a nice like boho chic skirt that you can dress up or dress down.
Love. Okay, so overall we give the SHEIN haul a rating a
7.
Okay, I was thinking like 8.
Yeah? Okay,
it turned out a lot better than expected, so I think that's why we're like really happy with it.
I think there were some clothes which are like you could probably only wear once, like the lilac Jacquard top.
Yeah, and
that'd be like an Instagram look, and that's it.
And then you just never wear it again. Even the yellow, I feel like you just kind of wear it once, or you could wear it separately after that. What else was like that? No, but the other ones are really good. Like, as you saw, we were able to dress it multiple ways. Yeah, this is a classic. Like, it's never gonna go out of style. It's never gonna get old.
Yeah. So overall, I think you guys shouldn't be too worried about ordering from SHEIN. Also, I think it helps if you look at all the reviews. Like, it's really helpful to see how fitting is and stuff.
Yeah. So the only thing is that the sizing kind of matters. I feel like extra small still didn't work for our body type, but the material all turned out to be good. So I think that plays a really big role. Like, you don't want it to feel or look cheap, and it didn't.
Exactly.
So what you're paying for, you're getting pretty much like what you expect.
Yeah. A little bit nicer, maybe.
Yeah. Thanks for watching.
Bye.